What's up, Mercs are Twine from Richie the Great Film Entertainment Productions here. So since Tuesday the 23rd, I did put away my Sprite and my with the zero sugar. I meant to say zero sugar Sprite and zero sugar Mountain Dew. The new flavor inspired by Taco Bell. So yeah, let's play this video. Since it's January 1st, tomorrow will be February 1st. So now today is the end of a week of January. So let's start from Tuesday the 23rd video. Let's play that. From Richie the Great Film Entertainment Productions here. Richie the Great Film. I meant to say Richie the Great 89 Film Entertainment Productions here. So today I'm putting these drinks in the fridge. So and Sprite. So that's pretty much it for this video. So yeah, don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Peace, bye. And now today is a end of a week of January 31st. So yeah, don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you YouTubers in another video. Peace, bye.